In this video, I'm going to be covering on how to create a nav bar that's responsive in Figma. To get started, I'm going to click the rectangle tool and I'm going to draw out a rectangle. Let's move this to the middle. I'm going to also lock this in. Then I'm going to select the text tool and I'm going to type home. And I'm going to change this color to black. Perfect. Now what you want to do is you want to duplicate this. So just hold the Alt key. And let's change this to about. We are going to duplicate it one more time by holding the Alt key. Let's change this to product. Perfect. Okay, now we have home, about, and product. Now, how you're going to make it responsive is by auto layout. So we're going to select all three. When you select all three, you have two ways to make the auto layout. You can go here and click this plus sign, or you can press Shift A, which is what I'm going to do, and auto layout is set for that. Now, to make this responsive, if you go here and you see it says horizontal gap between items, click here and click auto. And now if I stretch this out, look, you see it has become responsive. Perfect. Right. So we have that set. So I'm just going to change this frame to links. Next, what I want to do is I want to set the buttons. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to type login. Again, I'm going to select it. Let's change the fill to black. And let's give this an auto layout by Shift A. And let's change the fill to blue. Perfect. That's done. And now what I want to do is I want to set the corner radius to 8 to round out the corners. So come up here and just make this 8. And I want to also give this padding. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click here and let's set the left padding to 16. And let's go to the next one, which is the top padding. Let's set that to 8. Set this to 16 and let's set this to 8. Okay, my padding is done. I'm going to duplicate this again the same way. Hold the Alt key and let's bring this here to, let's say, 16. I'm going to change this to sign up. Let's just change the fill for this to orange. Perfect. It's orange. Now I'm going to set the auto layout and make this responsive. So select both of them. Shift A. Let's come down here and you can see horizontal gap between items. Let's make this auto. And now you can see the responsiveness is set. Now we're going to do that for all of this and we're going to select all of them and just press Shift A and you can see now this is a responsive nav bar. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.